Hello everyone! This month we are celebrating a baby shower at Garabattas, and I have for you today a party favor tutorial that I hope that it inspires you to create something similar for any party that you have. I'm going to start cutting two pieces of 4¼ by 11. Then I'm going to fold this piece at 3 3/8, 6 1/8 and 7 3/4. Les decía que corté dos pedazos de papel a 4 1/4 por 11 y luego hice dobleces a las medidas que le dejé en pantalla. Ahora estoy doblando todo los folding. Now I fold all the lines, and now I'm going to make a frame. I'm using this die by Simon Says Stand, but if you don't have any die, you can cut a piece with your trimmer. Estoy utilizando este troquelado para hacer un marquito aquí. Si no tienes ningún troquelado similar, puedes hacer como un marco cortándolo con tu guillotina. Here is how it will look later. You can see here the frame. Now I'm going to use the two of these die cuts to make a frame, and I'm going to run this through my cutter block. And you can see here the frame that I made, and I want to put this here to enhance the frame, the area. Now I have this lace, and I'm going to adhere around this. Les decía que tomé con el mismo troquelado e hice un marquito. Ahora le estoy pegando un encaje alrededor aquí del área que va a estar el marcado, y luego voy a pegar el marquito que hice con el troquelado sobre esto. I am adhering this with tacky glue. Now I'm going to start to adhere the frame over the lace, and it gives a nice finish. Now I'm using this tool by Weird Memory to fold well and to help to adhere everything. Now I'm going to add the glue in this area to close the V shape that I made to make my frame. You can see here how it looks, and I left this side here without any glue because you can create like a pocket and put your picture through this area here too, if you like. Les decía que lo que hice fue que una vez ya tenía todos los dobleces, le unté pega, como vieron, a la parte del frente. Dejé un ladito sin pega por si quieren crear como un pocket, como para poner la foto. Ahora aquí están todas las imágenes de Garabatta que colorí. Este sello es hermoso. Yo les voy a mostrar ya mismo, y pinté todo esto con Copics. These are the Garabattas that I coloring using Copics. You can see here, and let me show you what this is. The stamp Unicornios y Fantasia from Garabattas. I will let you down below the link to Garabatta. You can go and see all the beautiful stamps that are in store. Look, this cutie. I just love this stamp and this girl. I'm going to use this girl in my frame today. Let's continue. Now I'm cut some of these small tags, and I am now adhere some letters to create the words of the baby that will be born. Mia is her name. Ok, les decía que corté estos pequeños tags y les puse el nombre de la bebé, que va a ser Mia. Now I'm going to start to assemble everything and decorate my frame with the tags, with the beautiful images. This cutie, I already add 3D foam tape on the back of the image to create some dimension. Les comentaba que ahora voy a empezar a decorar todo con las imágenes que coloreé de Garabattas, algunas flores que hice a mano, y nada, estoy aquí pegando y decorando todo. I made these paper flowers here by hand, and I am adhering now all the different elements that I have, the flower, the paper flowers, some pearls. And I don't want to make this very complicated because it's just a small gift that I want to bring in a party. So it's just that it looks so lovely, and that it looks that somebody create this with a lot of love. That is the message behind this frame. And I hope that you like the idea, that you give it a try. Don't forget, I'm going to let you down below the link to Garabattas, and you can go and see all the beautiful stamps that are in store for you. And here it is. This is the final result. I'm going to cut this, and it is. Les comentaba que ya aquí está todo terminado. Ahí pueden ver, es algo sencillo pero hecho con mucho amor para regalar en una fiesta a alguien que tú le quieras dar un bonito detalle. Espero les haya gustado, y abajo les dejo el link para que vean todos los stamps de Garabattas. Well, my friend, I hope that this video, do you like this video? And let me know with a thumbs up. I'm going to let you hear 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. I see you soon. Nos vemos. Bye bye.